Hello everyone! A common dish of ants climbing a tree. Surprisingly, it has become a signature dish in restaurants. The dry and fragrant dish is a must-order for every table. Actually, the recipe is very simple. Just add this one step, then you can get the taste of a restaurant. Today, let's watch my video together to learn how it's made. First, prepare thin vermicelli for 5 yuans. This type of vermicelli is finer and more flavorful. Add a large bowl of water to cover the vermicelli. Don't use hot water to soak the vermicelli. Otherwise, it won't be chewy. This is a small trick that restaurants don't reveal. Soak for half an hour. It's best to find a plate to press on top. During this time, prepare some side dishes. Peel the garlic and pat it with a knife. This makes it easier to release the garlic flavor. Next, chop the ginger into ginger paste. Chop all the ginger into small pieces. Prepare a peeled piece of old ginger. Also pat it with a knife. Then chop it into ginger paste. Chop the ginger paste smaller for better flavor. This makes it more flavorful. Cut ready and put it together with the minced garlic. For those who like it spicy, prepare a few small chili peppers and cut them into small rings. Of course, if you don't like it spicy, don't add them. The small chili peppers can add spiciness and complement the color. Cut ready and put it in a small bowl for later use. Prepare a small section of scallion and cut it into small strips. Putting scallions in the vermicelli adds more layers of flavor. Then cut into scallion pieces. If your eyes are sensitive to spiciness, soak the scallions in cold water for a while. Then they won't make your eyes burn when you cut them. Cut ready and put it together with the small chili peppers. Then prepare a bunch of green onion leaves. Cut into scallion pieces. Scallion pieces are the soul of this dish. We can prepare a little more of them if we want. Cut ready and put it in a plate for later use. Prepare some fresh shiitake mushrooms. Wash and slice them thinly. Shiitake mushrooms can add flavor to the dish. They are also very nutritious. Then we cut the shiitake mushrooms into small pieces. Cut them slightly smaller for easier cooking. Cut ready into small pieces like in the video. Cut it and put it in a small bowl for later use. Then prepare thinly sliced pork belly without skin. If you don't like pork belly, you can use lean meat instead. After all the slices are cut, we'll chop them into minced meat. If conditions permit, you can also use a meat grinder to do this. Personally, I think chopping with a knife is better. The minced meat doesn't need to be too finely chopped. It's better to have some graininess. Chop it until it's similar to what's shown in the video. Put the minced meat in a plate for later use. Almost time. The vermicelli noodles are fully soaked now. Then take them out and put them in a colander. Drain the excess water and set aside. Prepare a pot and heat it up. Add a little cooking oil. Just slide the oil around the pot like I did. Let the oil cover all sides of the pot. This will facilitate our next steps. Then pour out the oil. Start a new pot and add cold oil. This is what we call hot pot with cold oil. Add the minced meat we just chopped. Stir fry over low heat. Fry the minced meat to remove excess fat. This process takes about 1 minute. Stir fry to remove excess oil. Stir fry the minced meat until it changes color. We need to stir fry over low heat throughout the process. Otherwise, the minced meat can easily burn. Then add a spoonful of chili bean paste. Stir fry again for about 10 seconds. Stir fry until the bean paste becomes fragrant and the oil turns red. Many friends skip this step. Actually, this step is very important too. Then add the chopped scallions, ginger, garlic, and small peppers. Stir fry again to mix everything evenly. Stir fry all the ingredients until they become fragrant. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan. Stir fry again to mix everything evenly. Stir fry the mushrooms until they are cooked and fragrant. Fresh mushrooms cook relatively quickly. Do not stir fry them for too long. About 10 seconds of stir frying is enough. Next, add the soaked vermicelli. Add a spoonful of salt for seasoning. Add a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Then add a little bit of pepper for fragrance. Add a small amount of soy sauce for color. Then add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Don't add any other seasonings. Stir fry over high heat until everything is well mixed. Fry the vermicelli until the moisture evaporates. Dear friends, you have all watched the video up to this point. Please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Every like and comment from you is my biggest motivation to move forward. Thank you very much for your support and encouragement. Don't fry it for too long. About 2 minutes should be enough. Fully stir fry the vermicelli until it absorbs the flavors. Then add the chopped green onions. Green onions can add color and enhance the aroma, so we can add a little more. Stir fry the vermicelli until the neighbor next door can smell the aroma. Then it can be taken off the heat. Isn't it very simple? If you like it, you can save it and give it a try. This stir-fried ants climbing a tree is even more delicious than the one in the restaurant. The main reason is that the process is very simple. Next, sprinkle some freshly fried black sesame seeds on top. This is the ants. If my video has helped you even a little bit, please give it a like, save it, leave a comment, and share it. Alright, I'll end the video here for today. See you in the next video.